Kalami ke jing Hylla ha ke jing sngap bishar ke subcommittee jong ke Senate Armed Services hapdeng usipai duriau balarang ba bha kari America O'Brien McGinnis baru Tim Sheehy US Senator jong ke Montana ha ke hendru terigul ber arajar arpun riu. O'Brien ulapun pau jing persya ya ke jing hiar Thma ke Amerika ya ke ri Iran na ke benta ke ri Israel bat ki Pulit ke capital city kila patan jubori u bat yale bandra ya u shabar na ke kamra. Senator ubadai nagi Republican ulawan ban snok ti lang bat ki Pulit ban nyat ya O'Brien shabar ke jingkhang. Laong bakakti O'Brien kala kedia ha ke jing persang jong u ban tap mukadama persya ya ke jing hiar Thma. Kini kijing singap bishar kadai jong US National Defense Strategy bat kumju ha kabaya day bat kijing nang jur ke Thma persya ya keri Iran. Kat badang yat kijing singap bishar O'Brien upapan kre na kabenta ke North Carolina State na ke Green Party ul halak insan baka Amerika kam kwa ban ya Khun ya ke Thma na kabenta ke Israel. Kat badang patahan jubor ya u daki bor pahara ula beteng ban hala da ke boang baka Amerika kam kwa ban Phah ya ki Khun kan thai bat shinrang jongka sya ke Thma Namar ke Israel. Ula persang ban bat ya ke jingkhang bat Hylla ba omdan uweiru ubakwa ban ya Khun na kabenta ke ri Israel bat hakate ke por ki officer Pulit bat u senator kila beteng ban nyat ya u kumbalai pau second kat baka kti jong u ke sakut ha ke jingkhang.
Israel is the reason for this war. America does not want to fight this war for Israel.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
America does not want to send its sons and daughters to war for Israel. Your inability to name that shows your exemptness as leaders. This is wrong. And nobody wants to fight for Israel.
A reminder to all our
Commandant, please stand up as a Marine and stand up for America. No one wants to fight for Israel. No one wants to fight for Israel.
His hand. Oh, his hand.
Sir. Let go of your hand. Let go of the door. Let go of the door.
The senator broke his hand. A sitting U.S. senator just broke the hand of a Marine.
Sir.
Control your Senate.
Arm stuck in the door. Okay, sir.
A U.S. senator just broke the hand of a Marine.
Get stuck.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya